back to my channel. So today we are going to be installing the Billet Technology Catch Can. Unfortunately, I do not have a garage. That's why we're outside, and I'm sorry it's taken so long for those of you who have been following me. As you can see, the bottom of my car and the surrounding area, it's been snowing. So that's why I'm just now getting around to putting the catch can in. So
take it to the next level.
Okay guys, so some things that we're gonna need for this installation are a flathead screwdriver. It's just gonna make it easier to get this PVC line out if I have troubles. And also we're gonna use that to take this out. Right here we have a ratchet with a 13mm socket, scissors in case I need to cut the lines here. We have two different sizes, which you guys are gonna see why once I install it. So we have our spacer right here. We've got some brass fittings. We got the actual catch can itself, which I got powder coated in the blue finish color. The Z bracket, that was another add-on I got. And then right here we have our bolts and the washer. Alright guys, it's time to put my hair back and get to business. Okay, so first thing, we're gonna take this flathead screwdriver and I'm gonna use it to pry this out right here. Got it. Okay, so that's done. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the catch can and we are going to mount it in there. So now we are going to put the catch can in the vehicle. What we have here is, of course, the catch can itself. We have the bolts and the lock washer. So the lock washer is gonna be on the side towards you. Now we have the spacer right here, and the spacer is gonna go towards the block. So let's just put that together like so, and now we are going to put it in. I'm just gonna screw this in with my hand. So I'm gonna screw it to where it's sturdy, but not too tight. All right guys, so I'm just screwing it in a little bit more. So it's, see, it's a little wobbly. I'm going to take a ratchet now and I'm just gonna tighten it up more. All right, trying to get it just a little bit more tighter here, guys. You want this to be tight, but not too tight. So when I shake this, it should make the car shake just a little bit. So it's on good right now. Next, we need to remove the PVC line. I'm gonna try to see if I can just pull it out, and if not, I'll use the screwdriver. Oh, that actually came apart way easier than I thought. So there's that. I'm gonna keep this just in case I want to put it back on. So if you want to make your car stock again, make sure you save this part, guys. Keep it somewhere safe. Okay, so now this is when we use our hoses. So the long hose is gonna go from here and it's gonna connect to this side. And then this is gonna connect to this. So first, I'm just gonna put the fittings in here. There's that one. Okay guys, so now we're gonna put our hoses in. We have the brass fitting right here. Now this right here, we're gonna have to move so that we can connect the hose from here to this side. Now I'm gonna put the fitting in here. I'm hoping that the hoses will line up good, and if not, I brought scissors in case I need to cut them. So, put this on. I don't want to slip on the ice. Here, I think I'm actually just gonna pull this out and put it in the hose first and then put it in because I'm having difficulties. Okay. Okay guys, so I have this. Now I'm going to put it in here. All right. So next, we should just have a little slight bend. And then this goes in this fitting right here. Like so. But I'm thinking I might need to cut this a little bit. All right guys, so if you see, there's just a little slight bend now if I cut about to here. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. About this much. Okay, finally. Now we'll put it back on the fitting here. And I think that looks way better. What do you guys think? It still has a bend, but it's not too bad. Now I'm going to connect this hose to the other brass fitting. I'm assuming I'm gonna have to cut it like I did the other one. Alright guys, so I finally got it on. Now I'm just gonna show you why the catch can is so important, okay? I'm gonna put my pinky in here. And if you can see, you can already see oil. Let me remind you, I've only had this car for a couple weeks, not even 2 weeks, and it's brand new. So that's why catch cans are so super important, you guys. Now let's measure this out. Now we're gonna cut this. Now, connect this here. Make sure that's turned. Alright guys, so we got the hoses on, all nice. So what's left is just to screw the bottom of the catch can into its place. I can't really see. Is it not going? And I'm screwing it on towards not too tight, so when I want to take it off to dump out the oil, that it won't be too difficult to take it off. Well, there we are guys. We installed the first part onto my car. It is the Catch Can by Billet Technology. Now guys, if you're interested on installing this in your car, it works for Challengers, Chargers, and 300s year 2015 and up. Like I said, I really, really highly recommend you do this to your car. You guys saw that there was already oil in the PVC. Now that's crazy. So you should probably go get a catch can. Thanks for watching, guys.